in high school, but this is a chance of a lifetime, really.
An early point for FEU, activating Nongala.
Pokita, the setup. Little late, and off the block, Piojo will score.
Piojo hitting smart. Super rookies, Piojo and Espartero battling it off today, but so far it is Nongala. Super rookies, Piojo and Espartero battling it off today, but so far it is Nongala. Still looking for that bright spot for UE because it is a 7-point disparity here at the start of the first set.
Pokita will set. A high one, off speed. For Tebs Aligayon.
We saw that hang time mid-air. Risky moves.
Dave Pokita, denied by Lyric Mendoza. Pokita this time will try the opposite in Aligayon. Benny, tough set.
Freebies by FEU and start making a run.
Talisayan with the first pass. Now to the slide. Lyric Mendoza getting it.
Reps and time to master that kind of connection.
Mendoza now with 4 points early on. Aligayan sending it long. Benny Martinez, the set to the back row, and Espartero will score.
Zoom in on the attack efficiency. FEU, 7 of 11. That's 64%. For UE naman, ang
in 4 games. You target Miguel, and the crowd goes wild here for the FEU bench after a good receive. Free ball FEU. Let's see who Benny goes to. Saavedra with the put down.
But right now, that's still absent for the Red Warriors.
Yungan, I believe that's Mendoza.
Talagang it's been easy points racked up by the Tamaraws.
Oh, they tried to go for the pipe, leaving a free ball. Mendoza had to reach. The setup for Tebs Aligayon, going cross-court kill.
Aligayon finally converting a clean point for the Red Warriors. Still a 10-point lead by FEU.
Benny had to adjust. Left-handed hit, no. Martinez, another combination play. What a block by Tebs Aligayon.
Aligayon single-handedly blocking senior in Aligayon.
Saavedra, nice dig by Pokita. Piojo, a free ball. Martinez, combination play. Another kill block for UE. But a run here for UE, just cutting the lead down to 7. Saavedra, denied by Aceron.
Support for FEU.
Espartero will play center. Triple block. Good coverage. Aceron atake and finds the spot. And the lead is down to 4. But right now, the lead is down to just 4. After an 8-0 run, Saavedra puts an end. They target Aceron. Pokita will go pipe for Piojo. The set to Tandok. And he finds an open spot. So 3 away for FEU. Back row. Drop ball. What a save by Ariel Cacao. And Mendoza. Great net coverage. Aligayon. He squeezes it past through the double block.
Purposes for a taller front row for Coach Jerome Guhit.
To the slide. Tandok scores.